We're gonna do just a few little home decor pieces. Y'all, it has a really cute little sign here, Rise and Shine. It's coffee time, but we're gonna be using this for the frame. Okay, so we got this, and we are gonna put a napkin on. We are gonna put a napkin. Now, these napkins do not go all the way across. I want it to go all the way across, so we're gonna have to piece this one together because this is the only napkin like this I have. So y'all, this is just gonna be a simple little home decor piece. So you just want to take the plies off, of course. You know, okay, I think that will work. Just use our Mod Podge here. Oh, I need this. But anyway, so we got the Mod Podge on there, and we're just gonna dry it. Okay, so we got that, I think, pretty well. We got that dried, and then all you do is, whether you're using a napkin or rice paper, you just lay that down. What I like about this, it's not wet, so you're able to move your paper around. And we're gonna get our parchment paper, and we're just gonna go with this. You lay it down. You get your little iron. Is this on? No. It looks kind of distressed, but we're not finished with it. I hate to wet it, because then I'm gonna have to just seal it. We're just gonna go with that, y'all. We're just gonna go with that. Okay. I think we're gonna go around this with the bling wrap. Now, for those that don't know, bling wrap, it comes in a huge roll. This isn't even probably half of it. Yeah, you can use that as a trim, or, you know, a lot of people use them around candles. That's really cool. So I'm just going to use Fabri-Tac. So we got the bling wrap. I think you can see it. We got the bling wrap going around. Okay, I'm going to put this aside for a second, and I'm going to bring this little form over. So it's like a little house of wood. Look at this chunky little thing. Let me see if I like this. I don't even know. Yeah, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Oh, you can't see it. I don't have good lighting in here. So see, it's got a little bit of gold. You can see that. Okay, so we're still going to work on this. I'm putting this in here. Not finished here yet. I think what I want to do is, I have this little 1776. It is a magnolia stencil. I've used this already. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to put this on here. And we're just going to add a little bit on my little squeegee thingy. Y'all, I'm just going to go over this. I like that little 1776. Okay, so we're just going to pull this off. 26, how cute is that? I'm going to dry that. Let's see if this works. This is our vintage photo distressed ink. Okay. I may just put something across there. But the only thing is, let me see. We're gonna put both of them. Why not? Now what I'm gonna do later is each one of these little stars, I'm gonna put a little rhinestone. So we will be using the rhinestone shimmer. Y'all go check out that rhinestone kit. We're gonna put that right there. I like it. Let's do that. Now that's not gonna lay flat, but actually it's not too bad. How cute is that? Let's bring this back. We're gonna put this in here. Crystal shimmer, and I think I'm gonna go over every one of these lines in between the red and the white, and then I'm gonna do these little stars right there with the rhinestones, with these rhinestones. But I'm not gonna do that tonight because I don't want to keep y'all here all night. But so that's that. Let me show you something really quick. So I took one of these Dollar Tree little candle thingies. So I took it and I spray painted it with some Rust-Oleum. I don't even know what color that was, because I've done this. I did this a while back. So this little jar, y'all, it's a jelly jar. It comes like this. How cute is this though? But anyway, I'm gonna take this and we are going to glue this around here. So it's kind of a raggedy little fabric on there. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, we can do the flag. I don't know, I kind of like the heart. On there. Okay, so we have our, isn't that pretty? I love that. So you can either put, you know what, you can put tea light, you can put, no, I wouldn't put that. I don't know what I would do with that. Probably a red one would be pretty. But anyway, just put some little greenery, or this is just red, white, and blue. But there's our little heart. Just or you can paint the whole thing if you want to. I wanted to keep it clear. So you got that, and then you have your sign over here. Look at your sign. How cute is that? I love that sign.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.